Hi, it's Miss Sally from the 81st Avenue branch of the Oakland Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to get kids' ebooks from the Libby app. The Libby app is free, and you can get it from the App Store or Google Play or wherever you get your apps. Search for Libby and it'll come up as Libby by Overdrive. Then download it and then open it up. Libby is going to ask you a series of questions to hook up your library record with the app. So the first thing is, do you have a library card? Say yes. On the next screen, choose that middle one. I'll search for a library and type in the word Oakland. It should come up first thing, Oakland Public Library, but just in case your list comes up in a different order from what I've shown here, make sure it says Oakland, California, and then choose that. Now it's time to connect your library card. So choose that first option, enter library account details, and type in your library barcode. That's on the back of your card, that long number. And tap next. Then enter your PIN number. That is the 4-number code that is like a password to your account. If you don't know it, you can try the year that you were born. It might be that, or you might have set it to something else. If you don't know it at all, I'm going to give you information at the very end of this video on how to find out what your PIN is. Sign in. And then here you can rename your card. This you might want to do if you have several people in your household using the same device and you want to name each card number a person's name instead of that long number. But we're just going to keep it the number and then tap next. So here we are inside the library. These are all books that you can check out. But these are all grown-up books and we want kids' books. So choose over on the left side of the screen, Preferences. And the only one we really need to pay attention to right now is Audience, that third one. Tap the word All, and you get this little pop-up menu. Choose Juvenile, which means kids, and then tap that white button, Apply Preferences. Now you might get this nice screen of all these kids' books. Sometimes it comes up and says, this didn't work. You can ignore that message if you get it. Just go ahead and tap Explore, no matter what it shows you. And then on the next screen, choose down toward the bottom, middle bottom, What's Available. Here you get 3 choices. You can choose all available titles, available books, or available audiobooks, which are books you can listen to. We want ebooks, so we're going to choose that middle one, Available Books. And here we have a bunch of books. You can just scroll through and look for a book. And all of these are available to check out right now. But maybe as you're looking through these, you realize, oh, actually what I want is a particular book. You can search for that. So go up to the top of the screen, tap the magnifying glass, and type in a book title. I'm going to type in Last Kids on Earth, Last Kids actually, and then just choose that first thing that comes up. And as you can see, there are a lot of Last Kids on Earth books, but they don't say available. They don't say borrow. They say place hold. So that means you're going to have to wait a little while for them. But maybe you want to wait for one and have another one to have it ready when you read your next book. So tap Place Hold, and then at the bottom of the screen it will tell you about how long you're going to have to wait. This one says about 4 weeks. If you want to get it, tap Place Hold again. You will get notified when your hold is ready depending on how you set up your notifications in the app. I'm not going to go over that right now. Another thing you can do is just log into Libby and see if your hold is ready. So for right now, go up to the top of the screen, left screen, and we're going to go back. And then tap that back button again because we want to go back to what's available. So here are those books again. These ones are the ones that are available right now. And say maybe you're not sure which one you want to do, which one you want to check out. You can read a little sample. So let's go to this red book, The Land of Stories, A Grim Warning. And instead of choosing borrow, first thing, we're going to read a sample. So open it up, and then you tap on the cover, and you go right into the book. Scroll through a couple of pages. You can read a few pages, and if you decide that you want it, tap anywhere on the screen, and then go up to the back, upper left corner, tap back. And let's go ahead and borrow it. So now tap Borrow. And then you have to tap Borrow one more time. And then tap Open Book. Now here you get a choice of sending it to your Kindle if you have a Kindle. I'm not going to cover that right now either. We're just going to go ahead and tap Libby and read it here, right here on this tablet. And there it is. Scroll through, read away. Enjoy your reading. Now, I told you that I was going to give you a contact information in case you were having problems with your card, and that is right here. So, if you don't have your library barcode or your PIN number, you can email us at eanswers@oaklandlibrary.org, or you can leave a voicemail at 510-238-3134. Either way, you'll need to say what your problem is. I don't have my barcode and I need help getting it, or whatever the problem is, and someone will get back to you. But someone will get back to you. We'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And happy reading!